It's Tuesday, December 5th. And once again, I've gotten in something new for your stocking stuffers or your girlfriend or yourself. Who knew? This is a cute company I just found. It's the Friday Sock Company. And their quirky little thing is they are purposefully mismatched. So the right does not match the left in what the pattern is. So everyone's not turned inside out, but this one particularly is. And each pair is $14.95. They are cotton and nylon. And anyway, these are the sheep. And we have awake sheep and we have sleeping sheep. So that's on the inside. So you get one of each. Sleeping sheep and awake sheep. But here you can see what they look like. Very cute. Then we have knitting balls of yarn and knitted fabric. So knitting balls of yarn and knitted fabric. That's the two socks. They are mismatched. Okay. Now the rest of these they didn't have both out front, so I'm going to have to turn around and look. But this is so cute. This is gnomes. There's gnomes all over it. And on the back side, on the inside, it's all mushrooms. Can you see the mushrooms? How cute is that? So you've got a mushroom sock and a gnome sock. I love that. This one is I Love Books. And on the other side, it is, of course, books. So cute. Love this. All right. This one is the crochet, the finished product, and then the balls of yarn. See it? And last but not least, this is the coffee, I think, bag of coffee and the coffee beans, and this is the coffee in the cup. There it is, coffee in the cup. So cute. Love these. This is the last one. All of those were cotton. I bought one pair that's wool. It's beautiful. All the cotton ones are $14.95. This wool one is, these are all women, size 5 through 10. This wool collection is a little more expensive. It's $19.95, but they are so cute. These are cardinals, and I think these are scarlet tanagers. So, love that. There you go. These are kind of a blue-gray. So nice to have a wool sock in the winter, a merino sock. So, love my new company. So there you go. Give it a try. See what's up. We are getting stuff in. We got a restock in Rasta. I think I told you that last night. When I get my pom-poms in, I'll show you what that looks like. But know that we have it. Oh, we also got the list, the wish list from the clients at Friend to Friend. So we have the wish list, and we have there's 8. Well, let's see. There's 5 moms with children and 3 ladies, 3 single ladies. So it's a big crowd and lots of wishes, lots of big wishes. But anyway, we'll do the best we can. So I will love to have your donation. You can call me or send me a check or drop off some cash. We would be most appreciative. Or you can come in and look at the list and sign up for whatever gifts you'd like to collect and bring them in wrapped with the child's designation. They did mom A, child A, girl, child A, boy. They did it that way. So anyway, we'll get it done. It'll be great. All right, I think that's all I've got. I'll see you tomorrow. It's Wednesday. It'll be bingo because it's the first Wednesday of the month. Don't miss it. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.